Today we're making the last known variation of the Long Island iced tea, and it lives up to some of the worst ones out there. Stay tuned.
Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. I'm Derek. That's Ian. We are making for you the Tokyo tea, aka Japanese iced tea. It's like a Long Island iced tea. If this is your first time here, welcome to the show. We're here to teach you how to become a home bartender or a cocktail enthusiast or somebody, in this case, that likes to do stupid things.
Yeah, that's us.
Yeah. So this specific recipe. Oh, you should like and you should subscribe to the show pronto.
Gotta say that first.
Can you say that? Pronto? Is that?
Yeah, no, I mean, as Tonto was the Indian. And
Oh, okay, so pronto has nothing to do with Indians?
No, I think it's Italian for fast.
Sweet. It's like I can't use Indian style and I can't say 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indian anymore, so like I don't know where to stop. Anyway, so our executive producer is Lawrence Spies. He's a new Patreon member, a patron of the show. So if you'd like to become a Patreon member, go to patreon.com/CMC to help me fund the show and eventually repair my camera so that you can see what Ian is doing right now. Basically, this is a build. No, this isn't. This is a shake, which is different for a Long Island iced tea variant, especially considering it's the only Long Island iced tea variant that doesn't have juice in it. And you're going to shake it because there's really no good reason. You could just build this in a glass. I think the flavor integration is probably going to be better if you do it this way because there is melon liqueur in here. It's also going to give the melon liqueur a complete color.
Well, the nice thing about shaking
Rather
also
than
is
a
you
layer.
get a bit of distillation, which is going to mellow it out a little bit more than just building in the glass.
Yeah. You mean dilution?
Dilution. Yeah.
Because if you're distillating into here.
You know, we don't do the show very often anymore, and I kind of fumble over my words that should just slide off the tongue.
Thank you, Real. It's a little small.
Okay,
there.
so would you ever work as a bartender?
Me?
Yeah.
The only thing limiting me from working at a bar.
Let me guess. People.
No, I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I can deal with people. I like to talk. No, the thing that limits me is the shifts. I don't want to work on weekends, and I don't want to work at night. That's when
You're up all night anyways.
Right. That's my time to do things, like work in the show.
I would work as a
editing.
bartender. I think that would be enjoyable.
I would work as a bartender. If you worked as a bartender and you were like, hey, I just got this cool gig, because it would be neat to work with people I know.
Yeah. Because
Then it would just be like hanging out at somebody's house, but you're getting paid for it.
But you're getting paid for
and
it.
having to deal with people you didn't invite.
Lots of people you didn't
Yeah,
invite.
but usually if people are sitting at the bar, they're usually... See, it's been a while.
There's a blooper reel right there. I hit myself in the face with it here.
They're usually good people.
Yeah, well, I think like if you're at the right bar, if you're at a cocktail bar, it's probably gonna be cool.
Yeah.
And I think if you're working in a bar, you're gonna get a good rapport with the people you work with, or you're not gonna work together.
Right.
We already have that, I think, so it would be easy.
We've been working at a bar together for years.
It just happens to be in your basement.
Yeah. Speaking of working at a bar, the recipe breakdown will be given to you if you didn't look in the comments right now. Here we go. Half ounce of the following ingredients: vodka, rum, gin, tequila, triple sec, and Midori melon. You could probably substitute whatever melon you want, but I have no idea what it's going to taste like because I only drink Midori because it's really the only one I have.
Okay, so I don't have to pour on this camera. So
Nope, because that camera, no worthy.
after years of training,
I'll get it right eventually.
I love
This
the
isn't gonna
color
fill
of
the
Midori.
glass.
Holy crap.
so it's only when you think about it, it's only 3 ounces of booze because there's 6 boozes at half an ounce each.
Yeah.
So it's a lot of booze. It just doesn't fill a glass. That's why I was wondering if maybe we wanted to go with a different glass. But
Like a low ball?
yeah, something like that. Let's see what happens.
John said Ian wouldn't be able to get cozy-eyed as a bartender.
No, I'd be working, so I'm pretty sure I'd be energized
Yeah.
and living on caffeine.
True. Does that still fit on the camera? Probably. I don't see why it wouldn't fit on the camera.
It is a much bigger glass.
Well,
So
nobody's looking, so I'm gonna go do it.
this is what those
Yep.
jump cuts are for.
Oh, sorry.
I'm not gonna
Wait.
jump cut anything.
No, never mind. I'm not gonna burp then. I thought you were gonna jump cut. I was already.
No jump cutting. Wanna try it?
Yeah,
That'd be interesting, right? Oh, Charles H. Baker is supposedly the one who created this drink. I'm gonna guess it's a.
I would double as a bartender and a bouncer, and when I got cozy-eyed, I'd kick people out. Time to go home. I'm tired.
So every bar that Ian would run at closes at 9:30.
I'd sleep in just so I could work a little extra late. That's rough.
Well, a Long Island
I'm not
iced tea
serving
should be
that
good.
at the bar I work at. Let me tell you.
All right, let me try again. I did it the first time, but
You did?
but we haven't had a lot of alcohol, so it's kind of you got to get your mouth ready for it.
Yeah, but you shouldn't have to.
Ian tasted. You guys tasted things, and Ian tasted some rum.
Yeah, we tasted the Cristalino.
She's not helping.
And the homemade.
What? So what's the problem? The aggressive amount of alcohol?
Yes. Exactly that. And the lack of balance.
I can taste the tequila, man.
There's no balance.
No balance because there's no acidity.
It's like if this is the scale of balance, this is the alcohol, and this is like the sugary sweetness. Boom.
Yeah. No, alcohol. It's just balance is sugar sweet against alcohol. There's
no citrus.
Which is the whole point of a tea is acidic.
Yeah, you need a little bit of...
So while I appreciate the effort... Oh, and by the way, Supplency said the only Long Island iced tea that we hadn't done on the channel was the Japanese iced tea. I searched the channel, didn't find it. Started researching it for the show tonight.
And this is it.
And then I found out it's also called, and most commonly called, the Tokyo tea. So I searched that on the channel. I had one, but it was from 2009.
Oh, well, it needs a refresh.
And it was probably no doubt the same cocktail because it looked like it was going to be the same thing. And I'm guessing I said the same type of stuff.
Probably not.
So it's 8 or 9 years old at this point.
Yeah. I mean, it's got a little sweet note to it.
I'm guessing at that age
melon.
for 8 or 9 years, it might be more tasty because it would be all evaporated.
Your palate has definitely changed in 8 or 9 years.
Yeah.
Okay, so when it comes to the maturity of palates, college level drinks, and stuff like that, the thing that when we did the college level drinks and the things that Ian don't like about them is typically they're sweet forward.
Yeah.
There were like the nuclear whatever. There's some
Nuclear rainbows.
that was just dumb.
Monkey brains.
Right. But this just has alcohol, like all kinds of alcohol, all mixed together with no science.
It's a cool color.
It is a cool color.
But you can make cool color drinks that taste good too.
I was going to say, that's where the coolness of this drink stops.
Yeah, because a Midori sour is a fantastic drink. It has acidity and everything with it. This misses all of those. So you missed the boat on this one, Charles H. Baker. I apologize, but your drink kind of sucks. If you are into Long Island iced teas, I still think I think that Long Island iced tea benefits from the Coca-Cola mixed with the citrus.
Yes, absolutely.
And it takes a drink that shouldn't taste good and is acceptable.
And you
Not
can
great.
add bitters like the 3 Mile Long Island.
Then it was a good,
And
it was a
being
better.
pretty
It's
good.
still pretty potent.
It was still pretty potent, but
you're
at least
looking
it was
at
tasty.
it, going, "Oh, drink is going to be scary and very potent." I did a whole, I think I did like the top 3 Long Island iced tea variations or something, and the Californication or something like that, bad one. There was a whole bunch that were just bad. Like it's hard to take all this as a prerequisite, saying 5-course spirits and a bunch of other junk.
Yeah.
It's tough, and I don't suggest you do it. But for completion,
But we're trained professionals, so...
right. And for the completion of having every Long Island iced tea up to date on the channel, it is now done.
And now you can multi-name this, so when you search, you can search...
I am going to, it's right, oh, you can't see it. Yeah, it's up there,
Nope, I
Tokyo
can't.
tea in the tab.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
/
Yeah.
Japanese iced tea. So
Oh,
you
on
have
top of that.
your drink. Question of the day, what is, what type of drink do you like? Sweet, sour, balanced, bitter. What are those? Those are it, right? Maybe a
Salty.
mixer?
Savory.
Salty? Savory? Ooh, yeah, Bloody Mary.
Bloody Mary.
Name your categories. Write it in the comments below.
Beer drinks.
Beer drinks, flips. We have a flip this week.
Flip. Ooh, nice.
This month
love a
for
flip.
everybody else.
Tonight for us.
Right. So go to awesomedrinks.com. You can use coupon code JAN18. That's January 18th until July, until February 22nd, because it's like already kind of late in January for this taping. So it's going to go into, don't worry, you have a coupon code if you need it. That's 15% off.
And if you watch this video too late, then
True.
watch a more recent video. There'll be a new coupon code, I'm guessing.
That's like pro.
Yeah, it's not hard work.
Right. So, you know what else isn't hard work?
Dilly dilly.
Clicking on, clicking on one of the sidebar videos.
Clicky clicky.
And clicky over there, clicky down below, and open another tab so that you go to Awesome Drinks and start buying your gear.
Yep, hit the subscribe, hit the notification button, know when the videos come out.
Alarm.
Yeah, the little
It's
alarm.
just me doing the alarm. There's a little, I think, a notification alarm now.
Ah,
Right?
okay.
I'll have to check.
You're
That's it.
Just finger in the air.
Finger in the air! I'll teach you how to drink.